Hey guys, welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. I am Krissy and we are standing in my kitchen because that is the site of the next project. As you can see, I have these two windows. Let me find them. They flank my window here in the kitchen. I'm actually going to take those down and I'm going to put up some floating shelves, just like I did for my bar. Let me show you. All right, these are the shelves that I'm talking about. I already have all the materials that I purchased at Menards. I have these metal brackets and the wood pieces that I'm going to cut down and stain and then install. So here's a better look, if the lighting will cooperate, here's a better look at the two windows. All right guys, so join me in my garage as I cut the wood and put some stain on them. So here is a closer look at the wood that I'm using and the size, and I will be able to get two shelves out of each piece of wood. And here's a better look at the brackets that I'll be using. Alright, so I have spent the last couple of days staining and finishing the shelving. Now it was so cold out in the garage that I could not keep my camera battery working. So unfortunately I'm not able to show you that, but we do have a basic series where I show you how I sand, how I stain, and how I finish my wood projects. So you can check that out if you'd like to see how I did these shelves. So I have a feeling we are not going to be drama-free when it comes to installing the shelves. The lighting is kind of weird, but let me show you inside here. I have an outlet up there that runs my under-counter lights, and I want to keep those. I want to attach the lights to the bottom of the shelves, so I'm not sure how we're going to conceal that, and also what the condition of the wall is like behind these shelves. So you'll find out right along with me. So here are the shelves all ready, except for one last step. As you can see, the board is just a little bit wider than my brackets, so I need to cut this shelf down about 1/4 of an inch for all four of them, and that way they'll fit flush on the wall. Okay guys, I'm going to empty out my cabinet now and see what we're dealing with. So here is the cabinet all down, and it's not so bad. I do have, obviously, some screw holes to have to patch, and I need to add some caulking in here and up there and patch just that little spot right there. we decided just to leave the outlet up there, and then for my lights, I'm just gonna plug them in down here so it's not so bad. And I have a piece of crown molding that I reserved off of the cabinet that will fit perfectly right there.
I see the light, 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 light. I see the reason in the night, 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 night. And every time I close my eyes, guess I just need you by my side. Yeah, my heart gets cold. I need you when the lights go low. And my heart gets cold. I need you more than you know. After all the time that's passed, is it wrong to say I want you back? Yeah, my heart gets cold. I need you when the lights go low. No love wasted if you take it. If you feel a little lonely, I could use a little something. We could make a new beginning. Feel a little lonely, I could use a little something. Don't give me up, I seen the light, 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 light. I see the reason in the night, 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 night. And every time I close my eyes, guess I just need you by my side. Yeah, my heart gets cold. I need you when the lights go low. Yeah, my heart gets cold. I need you more than you know. After all the time that's passed, is it wrong to say I want you back? Yeah, my heart gets cold. I need you when the lights go low.
Alright guys, so here is the situation with this one. I just have a little bit of scraping to do, like where the paint meets where it didn't get painted. That's what I'm trying to say. And then also that little spot right there, and of course some caulking up and then down this cabinet. I will have to replace that piece of crown because the angle was cut to come this way and I need it to reach that piece. So that will have to come down and get recut, and I have extra from tearing all the cabinets out here. And this is a different color, so I don't have a solution for that yet. But it's not terrible, and I think it'll work just fine. All right, we are back. It is day 3 and lots of progress has happened. As you see, the shelves are up. It is snowing outside, and let's see if we can get some focus. One of the last things that I need to do is I need to take some acrylic paint, and it's black, and I just wanted to bring you in close so you can see. We can get to focus there. And I am just gonna paint these screw heads so they blend in a little bit better. and then you won't see them. See, so much better. Look at that. A much nicer, cleaner look. So I am going to finish all the rest of the screw heads and then I'll be back. So that is all done. And you know, this is a kitchen and real life is happening around us. So it did take me a little bit longer than I anticipated. I kind of wanted it done in one day. It ended up taking 3, but not 3 whole days. You know, it was bits and pieces. I was smoking a pork butt yesterday, you know, doing laundry, all the things that we normally do. And so yeah, it did take a little bit longer, but I am absolutely loving it. I still need to put my glasses, all my decor, things like that up there. Not sure how I want to do it. You know, we're kind of in between. We have Thanksgiving coming up, we have Christmas. How do I want to go about it? May just put random stuff up there for now and then see how it all works for me. I am keeping the boxes that we took down, the cabinet boxes. I have a plan for that, which will be phase 2 in my dining room. So you'll want to stay tuned for that. And yeah, what do you guys think? I hope you love it as much as I do. You guys go and have a great day and happy crafting.